Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to print selected text as well as selected pages on your Microsoft Word document. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Microsoft Word and then select the File tab up at the top left. And you want to select Print on the left side here. So underneath pages, you can go ahead and select an interval here of what pages you want to print. So versus print all pages, the whole thing, you click on the drop down here. You can select print current page or custom print. Select custom print if you want to do a select print here. And you just type in whatever pages you want to print. So if you want to do like 1, then you want to do page 5, and then 9 and 12, for example, you would just type each number in with a comma next to it. You can also do range. So let's say we want to print page 1 to 5, comma 8 to 12. You can do that as well. And if you click on the drop down again, you can also select only print odd or even pages. Just gives you guys a couple of different options there to look into. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.